Hello girls and boys, tonight's story is called Mom School. Does your mom go to school too? Let's find out. When I go to school, I learn how to cut and glue paper, count to 100, and sing silly songs. My mom says she went to school too. I think she went to Mom School. At Mom School, I think they learn how to go grocery shopping and not lose any kids, how to read stories, and how to tuck you into bed at night. At Mom School, they also learn how to pitch a ball slowly so kids can hit it, and how to go on scary rides at a fair. Moms should never be late to Mom School because they might miss how to bait a fishing hook or how to pump up a bicycle tire. At Mom School, they learn how to do more than one thing at a time, like talking on the phone and fixing my hair. Moms can do everything. And making dinner while listening to a song I just made up. Sometimes I wish my mom missed the day they thought about eating vegetables. Look at that, they all growing vegetables. Do you think that's what moms learn in school? But I'm glad mom was there when they thought about baking cupcakes. Yummy! And how to build forts out of couch cushions. My mom must have been the best student at Mom School. Looks like they graduated as well. My mom has a job she goes to every day. But she says her favorite job, her best job, her most important job is the job she learned at Mom School. Being my mom. Oh, so sweet. Tonight's story is over, guys. Thank you so much for joining us tonight and listening to Mom School story. We hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.